Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we share the smartest strategies to build lasting wealth. Want to take control of your financial future? In this video, we'll reveal 10 clever personal finance rules that will help you manage money like a pro. These rules are simple, but they can make a huge impact on your savings and wealth building. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful financial tips. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most crucial personal finance rules is paying yourself first. This rule dictates that before you pay any bills, buy any items, or even save for emergencies, you should automatically put aside a portion of your income into savings or investments. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account ensures that you're consistently saving and building wealth. 2. Live below your means. The most effective way to build wealth is to live below your means. This means spending less than what you earn and prioritizing needs over wants. It's tempting to indulge in luxury items or upgrade your lifestyle as soon as your income increases, but resisting this temptation can set you up for long-term financial success. Focus on budgeting, track your expenses, and eliminate unnecessary spending. 3. Emergency fund is a must. An emergency fund is one of the smartest financial safety nets you can have. It serves as a cushion during unexpected events such as medical emergencies, job loss, or car repairs. Financial experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up in a high-yield savings account. 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. While a mortgage or student loans may be necessary for some, bad debt such as high-interest credit card debt can be detrimental to your finances. Bad debt typically involves spending on things that depreciate, like clothes or electronics, and it comes with high interest rates, making it difficult to pay off over time. 5. The 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting strategy that helps you divide your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This rule ensures that you are balancing your essential living expenses while still having room for entertainment and indulgence, without neglecting your financial goals. 6. Make compound interest work for you. One of the most powerful forces in personal finance is compound interest. When you invest or save money, the interest you earn gets added to your principal, and future interest is calculated on this larger amount. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money will grow over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. The key is to start early and let your money work for you. 7. Invest in your future self. Investing isn't just about stocks and bonds, it's also about investing in yourself. Whether it's through higher education, skills training, or health and wellness, acquiring new skills or certifications can increase your earning potential, while investing in your health can reduce future medical costs. 8. Automate your savings and investments. Automating your savings and investments is one of the easiest ways to stick to your financial goals. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, retirement fund, or investment accounts ensures that you're consistently putting money aside without the temptation to spend it. This rule reduces the risk of forgetting to save or procrastinating. 9. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. One of the biggest traps people fall into is trying to keep up with others who have a higher income or lavish lifestyles. The habit of spending based on what others have, rather than your own needs and goals, can quickly drain your finances. Remember that just because someone else can afford a luxury car or expensive designer clothes doesn't mean you should too. Instead, focus on your own financial situation and goals. 10. Set clear financial goals. Having clear financial goals is essential for making progress toward wealth. Whether you want to buy a house, retire early, or pay off debt, setting specific and measurable goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Break these larger goals into smaller, actionable steps, and create a plan to achieve them. Track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Financial goals give you direction, help you make smarter decisions with your money, and ultimately help you reach your desired financial destination. Mastering these personal finance rules can set you on the path to financial freedom. Which one are you going to apply first? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you unlock smarter money habits, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing money, building wealth, and achieving financial success. Keep those finances in check.